The foundation of any room's design is its flooring. For new homeowners and those renovating their homes, it's the first thing you notice when you step into a space, and it sets the stage for the entire room's ambiance. Whether you prefer the classic elegance of hardwood, the modern appeal of tiles, or the cozy comfort of carpet, the right flooring can make all the difference. It sets the tone and influences the overall aesthetic. The texture, color, and material of your flooring can complement your furniture and decor, creating a harmonious look. Imagine a sleek modern living room with glossy laminate flooring or a rustic dining area with warm vinyl planks. Choosing the right flooring can transform your house into a warm and inviting home. It's not just about looks, it's about creating a space where you and your family feel comfortable and at ease. Wooden floors can add warmth to a family gathering space, while plush carpets can make a bedroom feel intimate and cozy. When selecting flooring, consider your lifestyle and the function of each room. For an active family home, durable flooring that can withstand heavy foot traffic is essential. In a home office, practical flooring that's easy to maintain can make your work environment more efficient. Durability, maintenance, and style are key factors to keep in mind. Scratch-resistant flooring is perfect for homes with pets, while easy-to-clean tiles are ideal for kitchens. Stylish hardwood can elevate the look of your living room, making it a focal point of your home. The perfect flooring should not only look beautiful, but also withstand daily wear and tear. High-traffic areas need resilient flooring that can handle constant use, while durable carpets are great for play areas where children spend a lot of time. Scratch-proof options are a must for pet owners. It's an investment in your home's comfort and value. New flooring can increase the market value of your home and make it more appealing to potential buyers. It also enhances your living experience, providing a comfortable and stylish environment for you and your family to enjoy. Let's explore different flooring options to help you make the best choice for your home. From hardwood to laminate, vinyl to carpet, each type of flooring has its own unique benefits. By understanding these options, you can select the perfect flooring that meets your needs and complements your style. For new homeowners and renovators, hardwood flooring brings warmth and sophistication to any space. Its natural beauty and durability have made it a popular choice for generations. Oak, maple, and cherry are some popular hardwood varieties. Each species has unique grain patterns and color variations. Hardwood is durable and can last for decades with proper care. It's also relatively easy to clean and maintain, making it a practical choice for any home. For new homeowners and those renovating, laminate flooring offers the look of hardwood at a more affordable price. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone wanting the elegance of wood without the hefty price tag. Whether you're updating a single room or an entire house, laminate flooring provides a cost-effective solution that doesn't compromise on style. It's made from layers of compressed wood with a photographic layer that mimics real wood. This multi-layer construction not only enhances its durability, but also gives it a realistic appearance that can easily fool the eye. The top layer is designed to withstand daily wear and tear, ensuring your floors look new for years. Laminate is highly durable and resistant to scratches, stains, and fading. This makes it an ideal choice for high-traffic areas and homes with pets or children. You won't have to worry about minor accidents or spills, as laminate flooring is designed to handle life's little mishaps with ease. It's also easy to install and maintain, making it a practical choice for busy households. Many laminate flooring options come with a click-lock design, allowing for quick and hassle-free installation. Regular sweeping and occasional mopping are all it takes to keep your floors looking pristine. With a wide variety of styles and finishes available, laminate flooring can complement any design aesthetic. From rustic to modern, there's a laminate option to suit every taste. Visit a showroom to explore the diverse range of choices and find the perfect match for your home. Section 4. Tile durability and design freedom. For new homeowners and renovators, tile flooring stands out for its exceptional durability and water resistance. It's an excellent choice for areas prone to moisture, such as bathrooms and kitchens. Ceramic, porcelain, and natural stone are popular tile options. Each material offers unique characteristics and aesthetic appeal, providing design freedom for any style. Tile flooring is easy to clean and maintain, making it a hygienic choice for homes with children or pets. Section 5. Carpet, vinyl, and beyond. Exploring other options for new homeowners and renovators. while hardwood, laminate, and tile are popular choices. Exploring other flooring options is essential for new homeowners and those renovating. Each type of flooring has its own unique benefits and can dramatically change the feel of a room. Carpet offers warmth and comfort, making it ideal for bedrooms and living areas. It provides a soft surface for children to play on and can add a touch of luxury to any space. Vinyl flooring provides a durable and water-resistant option for kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms. It's easy to clean and maintain, making it a practical choice for high-traffic areas. It's available in various styles, including options that mimic the look of hardwood or stone. This versatility allows homeowners to achieve the aesthetic they desire without compromising on functionality. Consider factors like durability, maintenance, and style when deciding. Some flooring types may require more upkeep than others, so it's important to choose one that fits your lifestyle and budget. Don't be afraid to mix and match different flooring types to create a unique and cohesive look for your home. Combining different textures and materials can add depth and interest to your interior design.